Hello, in today's video I'll show you how to use thicken mode for sauces and custard. To use the thicken mode, you can go to the right page to open modes, then scroll down and you'll find thicken. Then you can set the temperature from 80 to 100, so there's only two options, 80 or 100, and then you can turn the selector by one step to start. Then it'll display the time automatically, like how much time left is needed, yeah, that is basically it. I hope that this video was helpful. Don't forget to like and subscribe, and I'll see you in the next one.